Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sika Tina Joemat Petterson ibanjwe emva kosuku nje umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe u-advocate Mkhwebane enze izinsolo ezishaqisayo ngokushona kwakhe. Izolo Mkhwebane uthe uPetterson ngabe usaphila ukube asiqalwanga isigcawu sokuphenya ngobuqotho bakhe. Ekhuluma kule nkonzo oyilungu lesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC uNomvula Mokonyane uthe akazi u-advocate Mkhwebane ukhuluma ngani futhi ke akumele iANC ihudulelwe kulokhu.
I don't know what the public protector is talking about, and by the way I was not even watching because I was here with the family again. We would not want to be dragged into things where a dead person will never come and tell her side.
Wachithila amahlebezi athi umndeni kaPetterson uthe amalungu eANC angalubhadi emzini wakhe kulandela lezinsolo.
It's totally not true that anyone from the ANC has been turned away by the family.
Undonankulu wesifundazwe ufunde umlayezo kaJoemat Petterson ambhalela wona ngaphambi kokuba edlule emhlabeni ngesonto eledlule.
Good afternoon, Comrade Chair of my province. I'm a subject of attacks again, close quote.
Amadodana akhe ambhalele incwadi.
It is with great honor that I stand here today on behalf of Terence and Austin to deliver this tribute in honor of their late mother. Mama devoted her life to the African National Congress. In the fight for freedom and liberation in this beloved country of ours.
Tina Joemat Petterson ushone esemzini wakhe ngesonto eledlule kanti ke inkonzo yomngcwabo wakhe izobe ingavulelekile emphakathini.